Rule number 2, don't set your stuff on fire.
Can you smell what Big B is cooking?
Look.
That's why I don't.
Make sure your prop shaft spins freely. And if you can make it look as pretty as that. Don't be this guy. Routinely check all your connections. Make sure you don't have any frayed insulation, any connectors going bad, anything gonna rub on anything. All of those could lead to a little meltdown on the water. These ones all look tight because I haven't touched them yet. Use good batteries. The minimum I like to use is a 5,000 mAh, and I'd always like at least a 50C discharge, regardless of the boat I'm running. Don't use shit connectors. Use something that can flow at least 90 amps. RC Boat Gang. Check your temps. Get yourself a digital temp gun. Even if it's a cheap one, it'll still work good. And then you want to check in specific spots. Mainly your motor, your shaft, front and back. There's the other spot. Your wires, your connectors, your caps on your ESC, your heatsink on your ESC, your power leads coming off of your ESC here. Let's see, what else you want to check? Battery temps. And that's about it. Don't let them get over 140 degrees for an extended period of time, and you won't have any problems. So. Gonna lighten them up. Got some nice blue growing. Music courtesy of the real and original Van Halen. Thanks, boys. Courtesy of Party Christian.